All three of you stop. Stop. You're being detained. Shoplifting.
You don't want to talk? That's it? Alright, cool. Tell us what you were doing in Victoria's Secret.
I bought candies from you.
You never went to the cash register.
I can show you the receipt.
Choosing items together, working together, in concert to steal.
Atlanta, GA, the 21st of December 2024. 3 women detained at a mall for suspected shoplifting from Victoria's Secret. One subject insisted she had a receipt. The officer said it did not exist. Loss prevention later confirmed the receipt was real. Was this arrest constitutionally sound?
All three of you stop. You're being detained. Shoplifting. Take this, set this down. You're being detained. Shoplifting.
You just take the bags. I'm trying to let it.
You guys are Victoria's Secret, right?
Let's take them out here.
Yeah.
We're gonna take you out here. This is in the hallway. I got one ID here.
I got an idea here.
You just go on that wall.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
Oh, okay. You stand over there. 10, 12.
Alright, I'll start with you. Come over with me. Hey guys, we're gonna need you to go the other way. This area is closed. Go ahead and stand against the wall. Alright. Do you know why we're here?
Yeah.
Why are we here?
Victoria's Secret.
What happened in Victoria's Secret? I wasn't there. I was on a bike. So you tell me. Obviously we're here for a reason, but what happened in Victoria's Secret?
I don't know. That's what he said.
What did you guys do in Victoria's Secret? You said you know why we're here. So, oh, that's fine, but do you know why we're here? What was your part in Victoria's Secret? What you guys were doing? Did you take anything? Did you help take anything? Surveillance is going to say otherwise. So just remember, you're being watched. So what was your part? Honesty is always best policy. You've never been arrested before? No? You just haven't gotten caught? Done this before? Shoplift before? No? So just because he said something happened in Victoria's Secret, what happened? What was your part? It's okay, you can be honest. You don't want to talk? That's it? Alright, cool. Why are we here?
I came to get something for my trip.
You came to get something for your trip. What kind of, what'd you come to get? Guys, can you go the other way?
A Nike.
Other way!
I came to get a Nike jumpsuit. That's it.
Okay, so what were you doing in Victoria? That way?
I bought some at Victoria's Secret. The receipt in there and everything.
No, you were never seen going to the register. We watched you.
There's a receipt
Can
in
you
there. I can
listen?
show you. Yeah,
You came from the store with an empty bag, or from your car with an empty Nike bag. Okay, you were watched from the whole time before you guys walked in. So don't play that game. You were seen on surveillance as well. So don't lie. Tell us what you were doing in Victoria's Secret.
I bought candies from you.
You never went to the cash register.
I can show you the receipt on my phone.
The receipts don't go on the phone, sweetheart.
I swear to God,
No, we watched you go
I can
in.
show you the email.
Sweetheart.
There's even a receipt in that bag. You
There
can
isn't.
look at it.
There isn't.
So I didn't buy nothing at that store?
No, you never were seen going to that register. You guys were seen concealing objects. You were never seen going to the register. So don't lie. Stop lying. Be honest. This is what's going to hem you up. You're not.
I swear to God, on everything I love, I'm being honest.
It's cool. It'll go in the affidavit when we arrest you.
Yeah, but I'm just telling you the truth. Like
There is no receipt. There is no receipt.
There's a receipt on my email. Like you can literally pull my phone out and look yourself.
You never went to the register. So what'd you do? Airdrop it or something? I don't know. You never went to the register, so how did you pay for something?
I can show you.
How? I'm telling you, you were watched the entire time in the store. You never went to the register to pay for anything. Huh? So how did they take money from you if you never went there? So that's what I said. They airdrop it? Is it some special technique? Tell me, please, be honest.
from going
This is your
to
chance.
the register. I bought
didn't-
pink pennies.
You did
black
not
and
go
white
to
pink pennies.
the register.
How you gonna tell me?
We watched you the entire time.
You couldn't have been.
Yeah, we did. I did not know, but we have enough people that did. And that's why you three are detained right now. Because you were watched concealing items and walking past a point of sale and stealing.
Real quick.
No, because there's nothing to show. I don't know how you're going to show me when you never went to the cash register. You
can I
never
show
checked
you?
out. No, you're detained. You cannot get in your phone.
I don't even gotta unlock it. All I gotta do is put it on.
I want to know how you went to the register, when you went to the register, when you were watched the entire time
We
concealing.
walked to the Victoria's Secret together.
No, because once we leave here, you're going in my car.
Okay.
So you tell me, how did you go to the register?
I walked to the register and gave them money out my purse, like a normal person would, right?
But you never went to the register.
Y'all got.
So you're going to stick with it?
Alone.
You're going to stick with that. Okay, cool. Next one. What's going on right now? Why are you in the cops right now? Why are we stopping out with you? What happened? You don't want to talk? Okay. So you don't want to give your side of the story? Because all I'm going off of is what we have and what we've seen you guys do. So we're giving you an option to talk if you want to. But if you choose not to, that's fine. You don't want to talk? Okay. You may have one receipt, but it's not enough for what you guys took.
Y'all can't show me nothing else that I touched.
You were seen, all of you working together, choosing items together, working together in concert to steal. It doesn't matter if one person has the item and they walk out of the store with it, you all are taking the ride for it. I'm just being honest with you, that's how it works.
Can you show me the receipt again real quick?
I was lying about it though.
Take a picture to make sure you get your stuff back.
Let me see it.
Well, no, you don't want. I don't want to
Let me
show
see
you.
it.
I'm sorry, I don't want to show you.
Okay, that's fine. Hey,
No,
okay.
I'm sorry, no. I don't want to be.
No, so the one with the red hair purchased something at the register, 141 today. Pair of red, or what color underwear were they?
It was blue and white.
Blue and white underwear for $2.99 or $3.18 after tax. So one item in that bag was paid for. So, yes, that was one item. Yeah, she has it on her phone too. But
We're gonna walk out this.
you know what? Yeah, I have to go.
Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 11968. Police may briefly detain a person upon reasonable articulable suspicion. LP direct observation of concealment satisfies this standard. The initial stop is lawful. Lesson: reasonable suspicion justifies a Terry stop, not an arrest. The legal threshold rises from here. Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 436-1966. Custodial interrogation requires prior advisement of Fifth and Sixth Amendment rights. Test: one person is not free to leave, and two, express interrogation is underway. Lesson: without Miranda, incriminating statements are inadmissible at trial. Riley v. California 573 U.S. 3732014. SCOTUS cell phone content requires a warrant to search incident to arrest. The subject voluntarily offered to display a digital email receipt. The officer refused. Lesson: refusing to view offered exculpatory evidence before stating it does not exist directly undermines the integrity of probable cause. OCGA, Section 1, 6220. Party to a crime liability requires proof. Each defendant intentionally aided the offense. Coordinated presence alone does not satisfy the mens rea requirement. Lesson: acting in concert theory cannot replace individualized probable cause. U.S. Const. Amend. V. O. C. G. A. Section 161136. Georgia Stop and Identify Law compels identification only, not substantive answers. Salinas v. Texas 570 U.S. 178-2013. The right to remain silent is constitutionally protected. Lesson: silence during custodial questioning is not evidence of guilt. OCGA, Section 16814. Theft by shoplifting elements. 1. Concealment of merchandise. And 2. Intent to appropriate without paying. Intent must be proven individually for each defendant. Lesson A. Confirmed register purchase negates the intent element and defeats the acting in concert theory as applied to the purchasing subject. Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Probable cause requires a fair probability this specific individual committed a crime. Loss prevention confirmed. Subject 1 made a legitimate purchase. The officer had denied this twice. Lesson dismissing unverified exculpatory evidence and proceeding to arrest does not meet the Fourth Amendment probable cause threshold. Missouri v. Seibert, 542 U.S. 600200442 U.S. C. Section 1983. Statements taken without Miranda during custodial interrogation are inadmissible. Malley v. Briggs, 475 U.S. 3351986. Arrest without adequate probable cause defeats qualified immunity and exposes the officer to civil liability. Lesson evidence verification and Miranda compliance are constitutional obligations with direct legal consequences. Key takeaway: when a detained person offers exculpatory evidence, the constitutional standard requires verification before arrest. Confirmation bias is not probable cause.